All right, so now we're going to be looking at CGO, which I'm pretty sure is a telecommunications company based in Quebec, if I'm not mistaken. So I bought this on November 12th, again for the dividends. I got in at a price of 62.01, so roughly here somewhere. Again, stocks will usually drop before the dividend. You will see a little bit of a rise in anticipation because you get more of the buying pressure because people want to get in to take advantage of the dividend. So that's what you usually see for these rises. So something I think I'll take advantage of is maybe buying earlier rather than later, getting in at a better price. Anywho, I got in here. I sold it on December 3rd, which is roughly or exactly 21 days. And I sold it at 62.70. So not only did I make a profit of a healthy 69 cents a share, I was also getting 92 cents a share in dividends. So when you have, I put in about, again, 20 grand. Even though my account size is increasing, I like to keep my entries roughly at whole numbers. And you'll see why later on, instead of whole numbers in dollar amounts, I'm going to start doing whole numbers in actual quantity of shares, just to make life easier, less errors when typing out the numbers. Anywho, so with this, in 20 days, I made a profit of $519. Sure, maybe on 20 grand, $500 doesn't seem like that much, but this is $20,000 that was just sitting in the bank doing absolutely nothing. Now I'm actually increasing it by a couple percent. So this was like 2.5%, which is phenomenal. 2.5% in a month is really, really, really great. Enbridge, it is a energy company and a really big one. I bought 331 shares at 59.57, and I sold 331 shares at 60.61. So I was up actually over $1 a share. This actual play, I did not actually want to keep it past the dividend date. Sorry, past the ex-dividend date, because I actually just made a profit anyways. And ended up being a fantastic call. In hindsight, I don't know if I would have sold it here. I probably would have, but it ended up dropping a bit, and that would have, forced me to hold it for a little bit longer. But still fantastic. I made $344, not even in 24 hours. So this was a fantastic play. Very happy with this. So in just off these two plays alone, 344 plus 519, that is about just under $900. Alrighty, so next on the line is FTS. Truthfully, I forgot what this company does, but again, strong company, so I had confidence in them. And I purchased this stock on November 11th. The ex-dividend date was going to be November. I purchased it November 15th, and the ex-dividend date was going to be the 18th. So the 15th was a Monday, it was a Friday. 18th is a Monday. So I purchased this to hold over the weekend, sell the next week. I bought 323 shares at 62.01. Selling on the following Wednesday, and I sold 322 shares at 62.50. So I made a profit, but you do notice that I did actually sell one less share than what I owned, and the reason being was I just messed up. So you see that my more recent trades, I'm actually going to just buy whole numbers instead of this, because I still actually own FTS. Because there was no point in me selling a single share and paying $10 in commissions when I would potentially hold it in the near future. So As of right now, I still own that single share, but I still made a profit of over $300 holding for not even a week. And then SLF, Sun Life Financial, another Canadian bank. This one was an interesting play. So I actually bought to potentially hold, for the dividend. I bought on the 25th of November at 86.11 for 232 shares. I sold the Thursday following. I sold actually at a loss of 85.96. So 15-cent loss. So I actually lost money on the buy and the sell, but the reason why I still profited was because the dividend was actually 84 cents. So after accounting for that 15-cent loss, I was actually up 69 cents a share, which gave me $160. The reason why I sold, I just didn't feel confident in this stock long term. Well, not long term, but within the next week, couple weeks, month, maybe even. It had a hard time going up. Sure, the next week I could have sold for a profit, but if you notice, it ended up tanking quite a bit. Long term, I think it's still kind of up, but for the most part, I think I still made a good call.